Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to enable vibrate mode in your Realme phone device. Guys, you want to enable your vibrate mode from your phone setting, and guys, how can you use guys your vibrate mode setting in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to enable vibrate mode, then guys scroll it. So as you can see guys, your sound and vibration setting can tap here, and guys how to enable vibrate mode guys, you can see there is no any vibrate mode setting. As you can see vibrate on ring setting here only. So guys how to enable, so once you can see the second option sound mode setting, can tap here, and as you can see your silent mode and vibrate mode. So friends, you want to enable silent mode and vibrate mode. As you want to enable vibrate mode, so we will tap here to enable vibrate mode, and guys you can see notification ringtone will off, and guys you can see this vibrate mode icon on your screen, so your phone will vibrate while ringing and guys your notifications. So like that guys, you want to enable your vibrate mode, so friends you can enable in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video, bye. Before going, please go and like the video.